Introduction. The first impression begins at the gate. Every beautiful outdoor space starts with a welcoming entrance. A thoughtfully designed garden gate and fence do more than define property lines. They create atmosphere, provide privacy, and reflect the personality of a home. Whether your style leans toward rustic charm, modern simplicity, or timeless elegance, the right combination of materials, colors, and landscaping can completely transform a yard. In this video, we'll explore 16 inspiring garden gate and fence ideas that bring beauty, functionality, and lasting appeal to outdoor spaces of every size. Modern wooden slat gates. Clean lines that feel warm and inviting. Modern wooden slat gates have become a favorite because they balance privacy with natural beauty. Horizontal or vertical timber slats create a sleek appearance while allowing soft glimpses of the garden beyond. Cedar, teak, and treated hardwoods develop rich character over time, making each gate even more attractive as it ages. Combined with minimalist landscaping, gravel pathways, and subtle outdoor lighting, this style creates an entrance that feels sophisticated without being overwhelming, making it ideal for contemporary homes and peaceful backyard retreats. Classic white picket fences. A timeless look that never goes out of style. Few garden features feel as welcoming as a classic white picket fence. This timeless design frames colorful flower beds while creating a cheerful and inviting atmosphere. Climbing roses, lavender, hydrangeas, and seasonal blooms soften the clean lines of the fence, giving the entire landscape a romantic character. A matching gate with decorative hardware completes the look beautifully. Whether surrounding a cottage garden or a suburban front yard, the white picket fence remains a symbol of warmth, charm, and lasting curb appeal. Rustic timber entrance gates. Natural beauty with country character. Rustic timber gates celebrate the beauty of natural wood textures and handcrafted details. Thick wooden beams, iron hinges, and weathered finishes create an authentic countryside atmosphere that feels relaxed and welcoming. These gates pair beautifully with stone walls, gravel driveways, and native plants that blend naturally into the landscape. Rather than striving for perfect symmetry, rustic designs embrace small imperfections that give every entrance a unique personality, making visitors feel connected to nature before they even step inside the garden. Black metal frame designs. Bold simplicity for contemporary landscapes. A matte black metal gate instantly adds definition and elegance to an outdoor space. Its clean geometric lines contrast beautifully with soft greenery, creating a striking visual balance. Steel or aluminum frames require little maintenance while offering excellent durability throughout changing seasons. When paired with wooden panels, climbing vines, or ornamental grasses, the result feels modern yet welcoming. This combination works especially well in urban gardens where strong architectural features help organize compact outdoor areas. Stone walls with wooden gates. Combining strength with natural warmth. Few combinations feel as timeless as solid stone walls paired with handcrafted wooden gates. The rugged texture of natural stone creates a sense of permanence, while warm wood introduces softness and character. Together, they create an entrance that feels both secure and inviting. Moss, ivy, flowering shrubs, and ground covers growing along the stone add seasonal beauty without hiding its natural texture. This pairing works wonderfully for traditional homes, hillside gardens, and countryside properties seeking enduring elegance. Garden arches and entry gates. Creating a magical welcome. An arched garden gate instantly transforms an ordinary pathway into something memorable. Covered with climbing roses, jasmine, wisteria, or clematis, the arch becomes a living feature that changes throughout the seasons. During spring and summer, colorful blossoms create a breathtaking entrance, while autumn foliage adds rich warmth. Even in winter, the graceful structure provides architectural interest. A garden arch encourages visitors to slow down, inviting them into a peaceful outdoor space filled with beauty and discovery. Bamboo fences for tropical style. Relaxed outdoor living with natural materials. Bamboo fencing offers a light, organic appearance that perfectly complements tropical and Zen-inspired landscapes. Its natural tones blend effortlessly with palms, ferns, ornamental grasses, and water features, creating a calming atmosphere that feels like a private resort. Bamboo can be installed as full privacy panels or decorative screens, while remaining environmentally friendly and visually distinctive. Paired with stone pathways and warm lighting, bamboo fencing transforms even small gardens into peaceful retreats designed for relaxation. Decorative iron garden gates. Elegant details that become artwork. Wrought iron garden gates combine strength with artistic craftsmanship. Flowing scrollwork, Floral patterns and elegant curves create entrances that feel refined without becoming overly decorative. Painted in classic black or deep bronze, these gates complement both traditional and modern gardens. They also allow clear views into the landscape, making gardens appear more open while still defining boundaries. Combined with brick columns and colorful flower borders, decorative iron gates become timeless focal points that elevate the entire property. Living green fences. Nature as the perfect privacy screen. Instead of relying solely on traditional fencing, many homeowners create living green boundaries using hedges and dense plantings. Boxwood, podocarpus, bamboo, or evergreen shrubs provide year-round privacy while supporting birds and beneficial wildlife. As these plants mature, they soften the landscape and create a tranquil environment filled with texture and movement. A simple wooden or metal gate placed within a living fence creates a beautiful contrast between structured design and lush natural growth. Mixed material fence designs. The best of wood, metal, and stone. Combining multiple materials allows homeowners to create highly personalized outdoor spaces. Wood introduces warmth, metal contributes clean structure, and stone provides durability and texture. Together, these materials create fences that feel layered and visually interesting without appearing complicated. Strategic repetition of colors and textures keeps the design balanced. Mixed material fences are especially effective in modern homes where natural and industrial elements blend seamlessly to create sophisticated outdoor environments. Cottage garden gates. Small details filled with character. A charming cottage gate proves that simple designs can make a lasting impression. Soft pastel colors, gently curved tops, vintage hardware, and flowering borders create an inviting entrance full of personality. Lavender, foxgloves, daisies, and climbing roses spill naturally around the gate, making it feel like part of the garden itself. Even modest front yards become more memorable with carefully chosen details that celebrate warmth, comfort, and the relaxed beauty of traditional cottage landscapes. Privacy fences with elegant style. Comfort without sacrificing beauty. Privacy fences no longer need to feel plain or imposing. Modern designs incorporate decorative slats, textured panels, integrated planters, and layered landscaping to soften large fence surfaces. Neutral colors paired with natural wood tones maintain a bright and welcoming atmosphere, while still creating secluded outdoor living spaces. These fences provide the perfect backdrop for patios, outdoor dining areas, and family gatherings, allowing homeowners to enjoy their gardens with greater comfort and peace of mind. Illuminated gates for evening beauty, lighting that enhances every entrance. Outdoor lighting dramatically changes the appearance of gates and fences after sunset. Soft LED fixtures, lantern-style sconces, recessed pathway lights, and subtle uplighting highlight architectural details while improving safety. Warm lighting creates an inviting mood that extends the enjoyment of gardens well into the evening. By carefully placing lights around gates, pathways, and surrounding plants, homeowners create depth, atmosphere, and a welcoming sense of arrival every night. Small garden gate solutions, making compact spaces feel larger. Even the smallest gardens benefit from a thoughtfully designed gate. Slim profiles, light-colored finishes, vertical slats, and open frame designs prevent compact spaces from feeling crowded. Mirrors, climbing plants, and carefully positioned pathways further enhance the illusion of depth. A well-designed entrance draws attention toward the garden itself, making the entire outdoor area appear more spacious and inviting. Smart design choices allow even limited spaces to achieve remarkable visual impact. Conclusion: creating an outdoor space that reflects your style. The perfect garden gate and fence do much more than surround a property. They shape the entire experience of arriving home. From elegant ironwork and warm timber entrances to lush living fences and contemporary mixed materials, each design tells a different story while enhancing both beauty and functionality. The best choice is one that complements your home's architecture, suits your lifestyle, and celebrates the surrounding landscape. With thoughtful planning and creative inspiration, even the simplest gate can become the beginning of an unforgettable outdoor sanctuary.